Welcome to the first edition of the Honeywell Cook Off. This is the Honeywell Kitchen, and we're going to be finding out who can stand the heat in this kitchen and take home our grand prize. 8 contestants will be competing for the cash prize, and there can only be one winner. The judges are going to knock out 4 of you by just the taste of your food. So the aroma in the kitchen is totally off the charts. To one end we have a poriro, egusi, edikaikong, bitter leaf soup. 1 minute 30 seconds left. Guys, you have exactly 15 more minutes. After which I'll have to stop you, and the competition is going to be coming to a close as we choose our winner of the competition. Now we're going to wait to see what the judges score you guys. Fingers crossed.